For most of us, the last 18 months have been the most volatile economic conditions that we have experienced in our careers. Thanks to the global pandemic, many countries have seen the steepest and deepest recessions in a century. Entire industries have been literally decimated almost overnight, and entire cities and even countries have been placed under strict curfews, turning our lives inside out. Over the last 6 months, economic activity has begun to rebuild, thanks in significant part to vaccination programs and the opening up of the economy which has followed. Though the pandemic has been incredibly stressful for many, much deeper problems remain in the form of climate change, ecological degradation, and the ongoing polarization of wealth driven by the inexorable forces of robotisation. We are beginning to see accelerating investment in renewable energy and electric vehicles and regenerative agriculture, and leaders across the political spectrum are talking about green jobs, and they're talking about inclusive growth. But what do these terms mean in practice? Are these better jobs, and do they create stronger economies? What policy changes are needed, and who is going to pay for them? For answers to these questions, join our monthly Green Jobs Report with our regular guests Dr. Fidel Kaboub, Dr. Scott Fulwiler and Amir Khalegi. As always, ESGX Live will be uplifting, down to earth and interactive. Register at esgx.org to join our live audience, ask your own questions and contribute your perspectives. Finally, from me, Nigel Lake in New York, and my co-host Paul Herman in San Francisco, a sincere thank you to our ongoing sponsors Pottinger and Hip Investor, thanks to whom ESGX Live is free, open to all, and global. We very much look forward to the discussion.